So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to watch the difference between Arduino Uno. This one is PDIP and this one is SMD. So in this we are going to talk about the physical body difference between. So this one is SMD Arduino Uno and this one is PDIP Arduino Uno. So the basic difference between these two are, first one, if we talk about this one is having PDIP IC, which is bigger than this IC size, and this one is SMD IC. And apart of this, there is a lots of difference between both of them. So if we see closely the difference of the pins, if we talk about Arduino Uno's PDIP, this one is having male connectors, and this one SMD we are having two options, male and female. We can connect here also. We have some extra holes to connect the pins. We can connect it later on. And apart of this, we have more difference than PDIP. So this one is don't have any extra SDA, SCL pins, 5 volts and ground pins. These are limited pins. And if we talk about Arduino's SMD part, so this one is having extra pins, and here you can see some holes which is used for RX, TX, 5 volt ground, SCL, SDA, 3.3 volt and grounds. You can use here male to male connectors and female connectors. And a part of this, ICSP pins are available on both the boards. And there is also a reset button here and there. So I have also uploaded many of the tutorials using many of the sensors, and I have also uploaded the videos using the Python with Arduinos, which you can use for the simulation of the aviation sectors. You can watch and learn how to make those projects, and we can do many more projects. And in the coming days I am going to upload more videos, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks, have a great day.